In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google account from your smartphone or your iPhone. Do you understand? So anything Android phone that you are using, this is the best way and the legit way you can actually delete your Google account. So please, before we dive into the full tutorial video, if today is your first time tuning into this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on notifications, and then drop your comment on what you think about this video. It's very important, guys. So now, guys, let's go. First thing you need to do is to click on your settings button. So this is your setting button here. Can you see your setting icon? So once you click on your setting icon, this is what you will see. Once you click on your setting icon, let me take you back. So once you click on your setting button, you click on Google. Are you seeing this Google? So once you click on Google, automatically it will bring you to this place. So once you come to this place, you click here. Just click here. Do you see that place? Good. So once you click, you will see something like this. Then you click on this option that says what? Manage your Google account. Are you seeing it? Good. So once you click on this manage your Google account, automatically it will bring you to this part. Then what you need to do is just to switch from here to this place. You see that? So switch from here to this place. So click on your data and privacy. So once you click on data and privacy, now scroll down. Just scroll down. I am begging you, please subscribe to this channel, turn on notification sign so you don't miss anything. Do you understand? Now, so once you scroll down, now look at this option that says what? That says delete your Google account. Now, the most amazing part of this is this: before you can actually delete this Google account, it will be chance to do what? To download all the things you have in this Google account. So once you click on delete Google account, you have this. Can you see it's redirecting me already? So first you need to confirm if you are the one that is taking this action. Then look at this place, please. Before you delete your account, make sure you download the data, everything that is inside that Google. Download it to your phone, then you can now delete it. Then after that, scroll down and make sure you tick these two options that is here. The first one says that yes, I acknowledge that I am still responsible for any charges incurred due to any pending financial transaction, and I understand that under certain circumstances my earnings won't be paid out. Yes, I want to permanently delete this account. Then after that, you can hit delete account and automatically this account will be deleted. Do you understand? So this is just how you can actually do that. And please let me know in the comment section if this video is very helpful. Stay tuned and bye bye for now.